This is my review of the Samsung Soundbar C450. I'll tell you what I liked about it and things I wish were improved. So let's get started. First thing I liked about it is that it was very easy to connect it to my TV. It only took 3 minutes. It's able to connect using Bluetooth, but also optical cable. And in the box, it actually comes with an optical cable. You don't have to purchase one separately. This is great. I still recommend connecting it using Bluetooth because while doing this, you'll be able to control the volume of your Samsung Soundbar with your usual remote control, the TV remote control. You won't have to use the remote control that came with the soundbar to do so. Talking about remote control, I also liked this one that was included. As I said, you won't need to use it if it's in Bluetooth mode, but you can adjust a few settings, including bass. So this soundbar comes with a subwoofer and it's pretty useful. But by default, it's set to be not too loud and not too quiet. Well, with this remote control, simply by selecting tone control here, you can select bass and really pump that bass to the max. And it can get pretty loud if you wish, or pretty quiet if this is what you prefer, or if you have neighbors. Otherwise, another thing I liked is that this soundbar has a few buttons on the top. So not all options are available directly on it. This is why it came with a remote control, but the basics are here. You have an on-off button, plus and minus for the volume, and an input selector. So you can switch between Bluetooth, optical cable, and also USB. USB because if we put this soundbar this way, you're gonna notice there is a USB port in the back. You can plug your USB thumb drive, okay, directly here. Just load many MP3 files on it, hundreds of them, thousands, plug it here, and you'll be able to play them through your soundbar. Since you have a remote control, you'll be able to play, pause, skip next track, or go back. And another thing that I appreciate is that the subwoofer was already paired with the soundbar out of the box. You don't have to connect them together. It's all done from the factory, so it just saves you a bit of time. But if in the future they disconnect or you have any issues, you can always connect them manually. It has a connect button on the back here. Now this soundbar is sitting on a table in front of the TV, but if you prefer mounting it on a wall, well, you're in luck because in the box, it comes with all the hardware that you need to do so. The mounting ports are located on the bottom of the soundbar, here, here, like that. And with the brackets that are included, it's very easy. Now sound quality, right? Because this is what most people are interested in. Well, let me put the mic right in front of it and play some music so you get a better idea. So in my opinion, I'll give this sound at least a 8.5 out of 10. It sounds really great, especially since this soundbar is not that large. Compared to other soundbars in this price range, what really helps is that it comes with a subwoofer. Since you really need a big woofer to create really that rich sound with high end and low end. Now, one thing that I wish was improved is, well, I wish it had a HDMI port in the back. Many people prefer connecting the soundbar to their TV using an HDMI cable, since it's a bit more stable than Bluetooth, and you can also simply use your TV remote to control the volume. It does not have an HDMI port, but yeah, if your TV has a Bluetooth or an optical out port, it's still okay. Thanks for watching. If you want to get one of these from Amazon, I'll put links in the description down below. This way you're also supporting my channel. This video was not sponsored, by the way. I purchased it with my own money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.